Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trend. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I acted like it was not a big deal when really it was breaking my heart. Tears are words the heart can say. Giving lots of affection and getting none in return hurts more than you think. You have got to believe you are worth more than being repeatedly hurt by someone who does not really care about you. Never cry someone who hurts you, just smile and say, "Thanks for giving me a chance to find someone better than you." What hurts more than losing you is to knowing that you are not fighting to keep me. We had the right love at a wrong time. The worst feeling in the world is knowing you have been used and lied to. Love the friends you have, forgive the ones that hurts you, and never let go of happy memories. The deepest of a woman's insecurities often come from the men who have hurt them. It is hard to wait around for something you know might never happen, but it is even harder to give up when it is everything you want. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. How he treats you is how he feels about you. It's ironic how our hearts can still get hurt by something we have seen coming. The love that lasts the longest is the love that is never returned. Every day I fight the urge to text you or call you, telling myself that if you wanted to talk to me, you would call me first. That feeling you get in your stomach when your heart's broken, it's like all the butterflies just died. Thanks for watching my video.